Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to download GCE mock questions in Cameroon, be it for the Northwest Regional Mock, Southwest Regional Mock, Littoral Mock, or any other mock being launched across the country, such as the PEA Regional Mock. For now, we're just going to show you how to download them for free on our website. And before we continue, if this is your first time here, we want to plead with you to subscribe to this channel and ding the notification bell so that in case there's any new content we publish on our channel, you can be informed. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to download those questions, you just head over to your browser of choice. For demonstration sake, we're going to use Google Chrome. So you can just hit into Google Chrome and I'll select a new tab and you just search Regional Mock Questions Cameroon. Once you search on Google, you scroll down to our website, thermogroup.org, and you click on it to open. It's usually very quick, as you can see from the video. So you just scroll down. Before we go straight to where you can download the questions, if this is your first time on this website, you can just learn how to download the questions from our download page, because we usually have a download page where you can get all those questions from. So as you scroll down, this video applies to 2023, but of course, as years go by, we're going to keep updating that. So you can see the first one, which is showing the Regional Mock 2023. You can download the available questions there, and of course we usually update that every time we get the questions. So if you scroll down, you're going to see questions and answers for previous years. Yeah, they're quite a lot. So in order to make this video short and straight to the point, I'm just going to demonstrate probably 2 PDFs I'm going to download, and then I think that will be understood. So let's pick one. Let's just pick A-Level Economics Paper 1. So we click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you to the download page. On the download page, again, we've put instructions there. If it's your first time, you can still go through the instructions on that page to learn how to download, because we usually have many people who come over to us and say, oh, they've not understood. Everything is free on this site and we're not going to charge you any money for that. So you just click on get a link to your file. Once you click on get a link to your file, it goes down and then it tells you to please wait for us to fetch the file. So once that's done, you just simply click on download your file now. So once you click on that, you just wait for it to automatically download the PDF you've requested. Okay. So it's already downloaded and it's opened already automatically in this PDF reader I have here. As you can see, this is paper 1 of Regional Mock of Economics. So you can go through, you can look at the questions you want, you can even print in case you want. Okay, so let's go back. Let's take A-Level Economics Paper 2. We just click on it. Again, the same process. You wait for it to open. You wait for the counter to go from 0 to 100. Once that's done, you just click and get a link to your file, and then you wait for the file to be fetched from our cloud or our storage online. Once that's done, you just simply click on download your file now. And once you click on download your file now, you just simply have to wait for your phone to download the file. As you can see, this is paper 2 of economics. So that's it for this video. You can give us a thumbs up if you found this video important to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and see you in another video. Bye for now.